Hi, my name's Avery. I'm one of the technical advisors here at West System, and I'm excited to talk to you today about the West System Wood Rot Repair Kit. The West System Wood Rot Repair Kit restores strength to rotted wood by penetrating deep into damaged areas. The solvent-free two-part epoxy strengthens wood from within while maintaining its flexibility so it can move naturally with the wood and won't crack over time. This product is excellent for reconsolidating rotted wood to help strengthen it for many more years of use. This is perfect for those hard-to-fix places like thresholds on a door or windowsills in a home, helping to reconsolidate rot before a transom repair, or even fixing water damage in an RV. The West System Wood Rot Repair Epoxy is excellent for penetrating into damaged wood due to its low viscosity. It has a slow cure time to allow it to soak deep into the wood. It has a flow time of between 30 to 40 minutes at room temperature, but will still cure down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The West System Wood Rot Repair Epoxy is also super easy to use. The epoxy contains no solvents, reducing fumes and making it much easier to work with than some other penetrating epoxies. It's a 2-to-1 system, making for easy measurements. The kit does include a mixing bottle with printed markings on it to make sure that your mixing is successful every time. The tip on the mixing bottle also helps you inject the epoxy into those small cracks. The mixing bottle is reusable. All you need to do is take off the cap, turn them upside down, and allow the excess epoxy to drain out. In our larger kits, we also include a mixing pot and a stir stick for more extensive jobs. When using the Wood Rot Repair Kit, it is important to treat your project like any other epoxy project. You'll first want to clean the surface, being careful to remove any contaminants or finishes on the wood. You'll then want to remove as much weakened material as possible with gentle pressure from a wire brush. Dry the wood, ideally to under 12% moisture content. If your wood is above a 12% moisture content, the Wood Rot Repair Epoxy will still cure but won't be able to penetrate as deeply because it can't displace the water that's already in the pores of the wood. Once your wood is clean and dry, it's time to mix up your epoxy. You can measure by weight or by volume. If you're using the mixing bottles, fill to the appropriate lines and then shake vigorously for 2 minutes. For larger batches, I would recommend mixing in a mixing cup, but only mix up enough epoxy for you to use in less than 30 minutes. That time does change if you're working at temperatures above or below room temperature, or you're mixing particularly large batches. When your epoxy is mixed, you're finally ready to apply it. First, you're going to want to inject the epoxy into all the cracks, then coat the rest of your surfaces liberally. For all those tight nooks and crannies, I recommend using a bristled brush. Allow the epoxy to penetrate. Wait between 10 and 30 minutes and then reapply until a thin layer of epoxy sits on the surface of your wood. A 4-ounce bottle of mixed epoxy covers about 50 square inches, but that depends greatly on the porosity of the wood that you're dealing with. We recommend having puddles no thicker than a ½ inch. Temperature does affect the viscosity and the cure profile of the West System Wood Rot Repair Epoxy. When it's warmer, it'll be thinner and allow it to penetrate deeper, but it will cure up a lot faster. When it's cooler out, it'll be thicker, but will have more flow time. To balance out these properties, we recommend working at around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The Wood Rot Repair Epoxy can also be thickened using West System fillers. For easy sanding and shaping, I recommend using the 407 low density filler. If you're looking for a more natural wood tone, the 405 filleting blend is also a good option. It's ideal to apply thickened epoxy less than a ½ inch thick at any given point. If you need to apply a thicker layer, wait for the first to get an initial cure and then apply your second. That's usually about 3 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're ready to finish your project, you're going to want to wash it with water and abrasive pad like a Scotch-Brite. This will remove any amine blush that can form on the surface. Then you can sand it into your desired shape. The West System Wood Rot Repair Epoxy is compatible with most finishes, and you'll want to apply some kind of coating over the top, like a paint or a varnish, to protect it from UV damage. The West System Wood Rot Repair Kit is available in 3 sizes: a 12-ounce, a 1.5 quart, and a 1.5 gallon kit. The 12-ounce kit contains the wood rot repair resin and hardener, along with a mixing bottle and some protective gloves. It will also contain a set of detailed instructions on how to do some basic repairs. The 1.5 quart kit contains everything that was in the 12-ounce kit, but it also contains a mixing pot and stick for mixing larger batches. The 1.5 gallon kit contains everything that the 1.5 quart kit contains, plus an additional mixing bottle and set of gloves. The West System Wood Rot Repair Kit restores strength to rotted wood by penetrating deep into damaged areas. The solvent-free 2-part epoxy is specifically formulated to stay flexible and move with the wood naturally and not crack over time. The Wood Rot Repair Epoxy is the perfect solution to make rotted wood structurally sound again. If you have any questions about this product or any of our other West System products, reach out to us via westsystem.com or give us a call.